everyone, how are you all? Today we shall learn the letter J. J for jug, J for joker, J for jar, J for jam, J for juice, and J for jigsaw puzzle. Okay, have you provided your children with jigsaw puzzles? Parents, I very much encourage you to provide this type of puzzles for kids so that their creativity, their logical skills, their analytical skills will develop when they play these jigsaw puzzles. Now, once a joker wanted to go home, but he was in the circus company and he wanted to finish his job. Then he started doing his magic. What's the magic he did? He took a jar filled with sugar and he took a can filled with jam and he added juice to it. He added this to a can of juice and the juice was poured into the jug. Okay, the joker took the jar full of sugar and jam to make juice which he poured into the jug and then he gave to Jagdish, who wanted to play the jigsaw puzzle. Did you like the story? Do you like jokers? Okay, very nice. So let's practice this letter J. You have already known this. Okay, a straight line with the curve and a sleeping line, and a small j has also straight line and a curve with the dot as the head of the letter J. Now circle the pictures that begin with J. J for jam, J for jacket. Can you say J for owl? J sound and O sound does not match. No. J for juice. J for brinjal. J and B, do they match? No. And J for bread. No, it doesn't match. Okay, so you have 3 items here. I think this is jelly, right? Jelly. So J for jelly. Now let us practice. Write the first letter of each picture. Okay, here this is a jet plane. J. Jug. I am using capital letter. You also can use capital letter. And J for jar. J for jeep. J for jelly. And J for jacket. Let us learn the letter K. The king. Look at the picture. I am going to tell you a story. The king was going to the market and on the way some people of his country gave him the kiwi fruits. Kiwi. Okay, and he was taking those fruits and coming back to the palace, and as he was walking on the road, the kingfisher, the bird kingfisher, came out of its hole of the tree and looked at the king and said, "Good morning." And then the koala, the monkey, wanted to say hello to the king. And the king was so happy to see the kingfisher, the koala and the kiwi fruits being encouraged by his presence. He flew a kite in the sky. He started flying kite in the sky. Okay, now he is coming this way and going towards his palace. Let's practice writing letter K. Straight line and two slanting lines. Like this you please complete. Straight line and slanting line. Okay, now tick the pictures which have got the letter K as the beginning letter, first letter. Koala. Okay, let us tick here. Kiwi. Hen. Kangaroo. Key. If you get the sound K, only then mark, okay? Drum. Pumpkin. And a duck. So only 4 things are there whose letters begin, first letter begins with K. Now write the first letter of each picture. Key. Koala. King. Kettle. Kite. Kangaroo. Okay, from your literacy workbook, practice writing the letter J on page number 14 and letter K from page number 15. That's all for today. Have a nice time. Bye bye.